Ready to party.
We don't know with Louis.
Dude, nights were not gorgeous.
Yeah.
Yeah, he just wants to get him.
Oh,
Sometimes
man.
he gets a little, sure, a little nervous, but nothing bad at all. I think he's
We should
very
probably
much
do
fun.
it.
I think
Yeah.
he might
One
be
of these
barking
guys.
because we got
Sure.
it.
Oh,
Oh, okay, like something's down there.
Watch out for the girls. You gotta make sure you're not in their way.
If you're in there, you're right in my nose way. Okay, there we go. We're good. Good.
It's really good, man. Where'd you find that?
Are they all done?
Nope. Keep watching.
Still going.
You'll know when they're done because it's going to be all at once. There's going to be about 100.
Are they gonna be like,
Yeah.
ooh, everywhere? Excuse me, I cannot hold my farts.
You know what? If your tummy hurts, just let it out, honey. We all understand.
Whoa, look at that one. Why would you swear to you, Nikki?
Lewis.
No, I swear to my
There's no breeze though, so I can smell your fur.
water.
Fan
Whoa.
part. Yeah, fan that part away from me
I'll
though.
try it.
Don't touch my hair with it, okay?
Yeah, we get it.
I was totally joking.
Louis.
Yeah, get you. Ooh, look at those.
Don't dodge like you're not getting
Louis!
Louis! Louis, you're ruining the fireworks!
Yeah, Louie. Don't be such a party dog.
There's a bunny though.
Laughing at like.
I saw him. He cut it like. Oh, I was gonna
Yeah, so one time, something happened to a bunny. Louis was literally on top of a bunny and he started attacking the bunny and the bunny almost died.
back up a little bit so you don't fall off. That's not accident. Louis! God dang it.
Might be later talk.
Louis, shut up!
Come on.
Hey!
I want to see you.
What are you gonna do for a little dog?
Come on, Louis. Lulu,
He's protecting us.
Lulu, come here. Wow. I wish we were at the carnival right now.
Yeah, this is the best spot.
What the hell am I doing? That doesn't even look real.
You guys ever go see that like Christmas train? Yep. We went and saw it. It was pretty dope.
Come here.
Oh, this is gonna be a good
Please do not.
I think he's jumping at your phone, Hank. You're bugging at your phone, isn't it? What you've done before?
LOL.
Come here, buddy. Come here.
Staring at his phone and
Carmine guy. Opened up the nitro.
Jeez.
yeah, well, if you want to do that, turn the fan on, Lila.
We don't want to hit him.
The fan will keep the bugs away, okay?
They were next supposed to get that Corvette.
I had before
Dawson.
My feet start to hurt. I step on my feet.
Dawson.
I had a Saturn view red line.
Mama, look, I'm still on my feet.
Hank, maybe put this always 60.
Mom, I want to look.
And you're gonna run out of gas.
Yeah, I'm recording. I want to post this on my YouTube.
I found a huge mosquito. There, I blew it away.
Hey, I respect it.
Rainbow!
Or be a car guy.
Mama, hey, the fireworks almost done, and when are there gonna be like 100 of them?
They've been going on for They've been going on for like 4 minutes.
Not too long.
How much more minutes left?
Maybe 5 or